Remember when mobile home meant a 1970s era aluminum trailer up on cinder blocks? Well, those days are gone. Today it can be almost impossible to know at first glance that a home was actually trucked in. But in a 9 News On Your Side investigation, we found one downside of that. Some tri-state homeowners ended up with a big surprise after they bought their homes.
Michelle Parnell looks out this kitchen window over the new subdivision she bought a home in. The Mills of Miami, a Potter Hill Homes development in Milford. It was her dream home until a plumber told her something that left her
shocked. Absolutely shocked.
Michelle had asked the plumber why her house had this plastic tubing instead of copper pipes.
And I asked the question, why does the tubing or the piping look so different than everything I've ever been accustomed to? And one of the, I think it was the plumber, said, well, it's because these are modular.
That's right. It turns out Michelle's home, like several others in the subdivision, was modular construction. It was prefabricated at a factory, then delivered by truck in several pieces. But this is not your grandmother's mobile home. This is so well designed, these buyers never knew.
We were under the assumption that it was a stick-built home.
Casey Marquette says he thought his home was site-built, or stick-built as it's called, until he found sections bolted together. Would you have bought this home knowing it was modular?
Absolutely not.
Their attorney feels their homes will now be worth less as a result.
Your average home buyer is going to attach a stigma, right or wrong, to a modular home that would not be attached to a site-built home.
Peter Burrell claims no paperwork ever stated his clients' homes were prefab.
I frankly think that the developer has an obligation to tell the people that they are selling homes to whether this is a site-built home or a modular home.
But the developer told me they don't hide anything and have even been written up for their modular construction.
We believe that it's actually a superior building process. So every chance that we have ever had to tout modular construction, we've shared with the media. So we've always been very open and honest about the construction process.
Potter Hill Homes President Carolyn Rolfe says modular homes actually hold up better as they are glued and bolted, not nailed. But she says, and we were unable to find otherwise, that there are no laws stating a seller must disclose modular construction.
There isn't any law that clearly says at all that you have to define the construction process.
Casey and Michelle, though, say they feel obligated to tell potential buyers of their dream homes.
So don't let this happen to you. Don't fall so blindly in love with a new home that you fail to hire an independent inspector, as Casey and Michelle did. A good inspection could have prevented this post-sale surprise. On Your Side, I'm John Matarese, Channel 9 News.